So I have no idea what's going on right now. I'm super weak, super tired, and I just started like 1 kilometer ago. I don't know, maybe it didn't eat enough, but let's see. Day 25, I once again crossed the border to Switzerland and said goodbye to Germany, but this time for a longer time. So since some of you were really interested with the rural village in Germany, I want to show you one from Switzerland. Check out that sign. So it seems to be one way for cars. So let's see. A little fun fact, I already drove through it and I was like, well, there's some really nice and neat and pretty looking buildings, so I want to show them. So here we go. Where did we end up here? After this welcome break by the river, I set off again through the beautiful landscapes and villages of eastern Switzerland. Remember the monorail from the previous video? Swiss people don't know about this invention. I already learned to make use of the opportunities which come up along the way. In this case, it's just a simple table which I use to work to edit parts of this video you're watching now. For some reason, the weather was not kind to me. It rained all day, I also had headwind, and it was colder than the days before. So, I'm at the last meters. Behind this corner there should be a hut, hopefully. I hope so, because otherwise I'm kinda would like to have some shelter now and to get a coffee or tea or whatever. And here's the rest of the nice way which brought me up here, so fingers crossed. So let me show you what is behind the corner. So it's not a hut, but it's close enough.
Not great, not terrible.
and should do it. So I can at least sit somewhere where it's dry, so that's 4 or 5 I would say. But now I have to change my gloves because I'm kind of wet, and now it starts to get cold if you're not moving. But that will do it for the day here with the tour, so I will not continue. Here's one pretty nice fact about Swiss, like public places like this one with a campsite. So they often have some wood here which you can use to make a fire, and some other utensils for making fire. And people also, I think I've always seen them stock up, so I guess people don't take something from here, which is a pretty nice thing.
In the afternoon, Chantal had seen me while walking past my campsite. In the evening, she came by with dry firewood. After a short conversation, she even invited me to spend the night in the guest room to escape the rain. Thanks so much to both of you for this incredible hospitality and a nice conversation.
Hello, currently chilling at the train station because I'm really not feeling good today. So I have like some fever and stomach pain, and yeah, I will take a train now for some distance because I really don't feel like continuing now, and I somehow feels like I have to throw up also, so I'm not sure if that's a good sign. Yeah, so I decided to take it slow and not drive the 26, which I had in mind today, but even though it's not raining, I can't do it. And I shouldn't, so. Hey, so it's Saturday evening now and I feel much better. I mean, yesterday I was sleeping in the afternoon for 3 hours. I had fever and stomach pain, and now I feel as good as new. So that's mainly due to the fact that I spent the weekend with a former work colleague of mine. So thank you very, very much again to Bine and Jens for the good conversations, good food, and obviously excellent beer.